You can use Google Meet to make video or voice calls to any of your contacts, including people with iPhones, as long as you both have the Google Meet app installed. The first time that you open Meet, Meet will require permission to access your camera and microphone. To make a new video or voice call, tap New. Select the contact that you want to call. Tap Call. To send a Google Meet invite to a new number, at the top left, tap Create Link. Tap Share. Choose a method to send your invite link. To access background effects during a Google Meet call, at the bottom left of your self view, tap the Effects icon. To slightly blur your background, tap the first blur icon. To completely blur your background, tap the second blur icon. To add a pre-loaded background, scroll through the options. Tap the background that you want to use. To use a filter, tap Filters. Scroll through the options. Tap the filter that you want to use. To turn the filter off, tap again. To lightly touch up your appearance or change your video style, tap Appearance. To accept an incoming Google Meet call, tap Video.